In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bills to Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your supplier bills are safely in your Xero account and ready for review. First, from your Xero dashboard, head to Purchases. This is the hub for everything you owe to suppliers, and it's where your bills, credit notes, and purchase activity are organized. Going here keeps you in the right place to add and manage bills without jumping around the system. Next, choose Bills. This takes you to the full list of your bills, including any drafts and bills awaiting approval. It's a great view for staying on top of due dates and seeing what's been entered already. We're going to add new documents to this list using Xero's built-in upload feature. Now, click New Bill. You'll see options for creating a bill, and instead of typing one in manually, we're going to let Xero do the heavy lifting by reading information from your files. This is especially helpful if you've got multiple invoices to process or want to standardize how bills enter your workflow. Select Upload Bills. This opens the upload window where you can bring in your supplier invoices directly. Xero will analyze the files you upload and extract key details like the supplier, dates, and amounts, which saves time and reduces manual data entry. If you have your bills saved on your computer or a shared drive, you're in perfect shape. Click Select Files. In the file picker, choose the invoices you want to upload. You can select more than one at a time, which is handy for batch processing. Use clear, legible files. PDFs and common image formats work well, and avoid password-protected documents. Consistent file names like supplier name and invoice date make it easier to recognize them later. If your documents are scanned, make sure they're straight and readable so Xero can capture the details accurately. Finally, click Upload. You'll see the files start processing. Larger files or multiple documents may take a moment, so give it a little time. Once complete, your uploaded bills will appear in your bills area as drafts ready for you or your team to review, code to the right accounts, and approve according to your normal process. If any file doesn't upload, double check that the format is supported and the image is clear, then try again. And that's it. You've uploaded bills to Xero using the quickest path from your purchases area to your bills list. Keep your documents organized, upload regularly, and you'll maintain a clean, timely payables workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.